Hello everyone, I'm Elena Rugal and welcome back to my page or channel. Today I will show you how to crochet easy to make stitch pattern. Such pattern can be used for hat, bags, scarves, blankets, rugs, tablecloths, covers. Let's get started crocheting. For work, a crochet hook 4.5 millimeters, and for this hook you can choose wool yarn, and for another example I used 6.5 millimeters and thick yarn. All additional information can be found in the description below the video. So now let's get started crocheting with me. So let's crochet. Make a chain of 20. I will begin from the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on till you will get 20 chains. My foundation chain is ready. Now work with a slip stitch into the first chain stitch of the foundation chain. Before make a round, please check the foundation chain. It shouldn't be twisted. Make a slip stitch. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the same chain stitch. Make single crochet. Make single crochet into each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Now I show you how to complete this round. I skip the first stitch. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch in this row. So my round is done. Continue with the next round. Chain. Now let's look at my stitch. I will work with this loop or thread. This is the right yarn. Please look, insert the hook and make single crochet. It can be called a check mark or stockinette stitch. I did this stitch between these two yarns. First one, the second one. Now I turn and you will see first one and the second one. So I work it between yarns. I insert the hook. And you can see my crochet hook is between two loops or yarns. So that pattern does not squint, I work it with this yarn. So you should work with this one yarn. So my two yarns left on one side. Now I am working with one loop or one yarn. Insert the hook and make single crochet. And now I show you how to complete this round together. Let's look. As you remember, I did chain stitch in the beginning of this round. So make single crochet into the stitch that I did a chain stitch before. I skip the first chain stitch, insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch, pull a little bit, and my round is done. Then a chain, and I will begin the next round. I insert the hook into the same loop of the stitch, make slip stitch, make single crochet, and make single crochet into the each thread. It is a very quick and easy pattern. Will be perfect for bag, basket or mug warmer. I have got stockinette stitch pattern. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me. For this pattern I used thick yarn and big size of crochet hook. You can use cotton yarn or another kind of yarn, and of course different sizes of crochet hooks. Now I show you the second example that I did of another kind of yarn. This is my second example. Here how it looks. It is very easy and in the same time very quick to make. This pattern consists of single crochet stitches. I did single crochet into the one loop of the stitch. You can choose such pattern to create clothes, bracelet, tablecloths, or bag, basket. Thank you so much for watching. Please write comment below the video what you will get. Bye!